Hello everyone, it's Nicole Zaplicki and I'm going to showcase my assignment number 4 for the Digital Information Fluency course, and we were to curate for our students and for ourselves. And I'm going to start with my students. I created a Symbaloo with all sorts of digital resources. On this side, I put a lot of the information databases that my students would use for research or for enrichment possibly. And I also added some quick links to get to Google Scholar and advanced search because I know that's kind of confusing at times for my students. Here is the custom search engine that I created for the STI research project, and I am going to add more of those as I create more. And there's definitely another one that I want to do for diseases, and I was thinking about creating one for alcohol, tobacco, and drugs for my Health 1 course. I also have Cite This For Me and a bunch of APA resources because I'm going to have my students use APA in Health 1 and also for my college course. And I added some licensing resources up here, including the link just to license your work. And I also added Pixabay and an article about the difference between scholarly versus popular sources because my students struggle with that sometimes, and that can be an issue when they have to meet certain requirements for so many scholarly versus so many popular. And I have two video editing sites, this Typedo and Capwing, that I really liked. I think I prefer this one a little bit more, but this one is better for longer videos, so I put both of them there. And Kahoot and Edpuzzle are two of my favorites. So how my students would access this is if you go to my Canvas, I have my Health 1 course right here, and right at the top of the course for the modules is the Health class home base. And actually this is their home page when they go, so you can see here that is my home page because I want them to go right to this. And you have the teacher view right now, but you can see right here I posted in the home base the Health Symbaloo, and of course I'll explain what that is to all my students. And I'm really excited because it's all right there. So they can just go over and click to watch the videos. This one was really cool because it actually embedded the video right in Symbaloo, so they could watch that. And it just takes them right to whatever it is that they click on. So that is just an example of Medical Encyclopedia is a really great one. Now, as far as my professional resources, I really liked the format that we used in class. And so for me, it just was very organized by topics. I liked having to write why I was looking up that topic, and I liked having the links to all the different sites. So what I did was I highlighted in blue the resources that met the requirements, but I have extra ones there that I found throughout the course that I really liked from my original project when we were doing the Google search, and also I added a few more. So you can see right there all of my different annotations and the links to the site. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope everyone had success with their project also.